Hey everyone, this is Jason from organicchemistoncall.com. What I'd like to go over in this video is to try to demonstrate what these molecules would look like in 3 dimensions, which is kind of an introduction to stereochemistry, a very brief introduction. So when we look at these two molecules, the carbons that I've highlighted in red on the top are all sp2 hybridized, which means that everything is going to be flat in the plane of your computer screen or your book, whatever you might be looking at. So let's look at ethene. Now if I took this and started to rotate it, what we would wind up doing is 2 of the hydrogens would be closer towards us and 2 would be farther away. And if I rotated them enough, we would actually get them to where they're completely on top of each other. So now it would be as though we're looking at like the side of a piece of paper. Now why is this significant? Well, when you actually do alkene chemistry, we can see that we can actually do reactions from the top or the bottom. It's not really necessarily that there's a top and a bottom, but the fact that there's 2 sides of this. So depending on the reaction conditions that you're working with, you can actually get it to react from one side or the other or both. So now that's with the carbons highlighted in red. What happens if we look at in propene on the top right, that CH3 group, because that's sp3 hybridized, located right here. Now if we were to expand that out, we would notice that with sp3 hybridized carbons, that 2 of the bonds are going to be in the plane of the paper, or in this case the computer screen, and 2 of them are going to be coming out and going back in the piece of the paper or the computer screen. Now what I'll do is I'll highlight all the ones in red that are going to be in the plane of the paper, and what we'll notice here is that we've got one that points towards us. And if you don't know already, if you've got a wedge, that is representative of something that is coming out of the paper or pointed towards you. And if you have one that's a dash, that means it's going away from you.